Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Gotta get dressed. People staring at me. Never seen a guy put waders on before. What's that guy doing? He's doing something strange. He's putting on a second skin. But today, we are going out for some panfish because I feel like it's been a while since I've done some pan fishing. Oh, I gotta put my GoPro on first. We're at a spot that you guys see me fish pretty often. It's a lot of fun. Today is fun fishing. It sure is hot though. Nice warm day today. You guys like my hair? Looks okay? Yeah? Alright. I'll try not to wear a hat today. I know I'm always wearing a hat, so I don't know why, guys, but today is much needed, you know? One of those days where I just want to come out and fish and just appreciate Mother Nature, you know? Which I do a ton. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna catch some fish. It's gonna be a blast. My net. Let's go out and have some fun. I'll see you guys on my chest mount. Oh yeah. Good old river that I miss dearly. Let's go catch some fish. Oh, I got one. Yeah, nice bluegill. Look at that. That's what we came here for. First fish. Oh yeah. There we go. That's a big old bluegill. Look at that. My gulp. Not gonna lie, y'all. We're gonna catch a lot today. Only gonna be seeing the big ones. Before we go any further, it's my setup. Foam bobber, 4-pound test, 1/16 ounce, and a gulp minnow, 1-inch gulp minnow. A ton of fish in this area. Lots of them, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Lots of beautiful bluegills. Wow, look at the color on this thing. So fun. That's cool. Big ones. We want the big ones. Oh, we got a crappie. Yeah, look at that. We got a crappie. No, my plastic. Nice. Nice crappie. Or crappie, nice. Take it. Super fun. Fish are slimy. That's a big bluegill. That's a tank. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Holy smoke. I think he's massive. Dude, this gill, look at the ear on that thing. It's freaking giant. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Wow, I thought I was recording this whole time. I caught that gill and I released it. I thought I was recording. Oh my gosh, what a failure. I was trying to hurry and get it back in the water. I shut it off to like do like a little talking like, oh man, look at this gill, blah blah blah. I didn't even hit record. Jeez. It's a nice crappie. Nice crappie. It's a white crappie too. Oh, dude, that's nice. That's what I like to see right there. a nice crappie. Wow. Silver crappie, white crappie, whatever you want to call it. That's nice. Caught a black one so far. Now a white one. That's a big bluegills. Man, it's awesome. That's another nice one. Dang, this one got scars on them. Dude, these like big ear ones, they look so cool. They're all beat up too. It's nice. Fight so hard. Nice crappie. Dude, nice. Man, this is so much fun. Crappie for days, and these are good eaters too if I were keeping them, but I don't think I need any yet, you know? Beautiful fish. Now the reason why you want to use a foam bobber is because of the presentation, right? Sometimes when the fish are really pressured and you want to throw like a traditional normal bobber, it causes a really loud splash. And sometimes that splash there pushes the fish away, it makes it really obvious. But with this foam bobber right here, man, you can throw it anywhere. You can finesse and present the bait correctly to them. I'm using 4-pound test. You can get away with 6 too, but with 4-pound test, you can cast this foam bobber a lot easier. Oh, they just had a bite. And you can trigger more bite, you know. So, you know, you can't cast really far with it, but in this situation here, when I'm fishing shallow, about only knee-high, they're not afraid at all to come into the bait because, again, this bobber is so tiny. It's a really good technique for bluegills and crappie. If you had red worms and wax worm, it works even better, you know. Meat is always good, but with plastic, you'll be able to get like the big ones to bite. Even the little ones, they like it. Like they're pecking at it right now. I'm just not setting the hook because I know the big ones, when they eat it, the whole thing goes down. You know? There's like a lot of weight to it. But that is why I like using a foam bobber. Presentation, just more finesse. You don't freak out the fish as much. You're not making a really loud splash when you cast. Sometimes it is a good thing, right? When you want to make a loud splash, but they come and check it out, right? But for me right now, the spot is so pressured, it's so tight, it's shallow. Having something finesse is the way to go. Dang, now stop. As soon as it drops, there's so many crappies. So much fun. There's so many crappies over there. Jeez. Okay. These are nice too. Man. If they get bigger than this, I'm gonna start keeping them. Look at this. Wow. So much fun. Yep, all I'm using is 1-inch scope, guys. And they move here and there too, so. Oh, I got one right away. It's a nice fish. Look at that, that's a big fish right there. Big bluegill, oh my gosh. Dude, that's nice, man. These are good eaters right here. Wow. Exactly why you want to present it really quiet, because it forces these bigger ones to grab the bait. Insane, dude. Holy smokes. I can't even like put my hand around him. It's a good eater right here. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Nice fish, nice fish. What is that? Oh, it's a largemouth. Oh, jeez, jeez, jeez. Dude, that's a nice largemouth. Nice. Good largemouth. Wow, that's cool. Multi-species today, man. Jeez, look at that. It's been eating too. Thick fish. Maybe that's why he got quiet. There's bigger fish around here somewhere. There you go. Jeez, this one's maniac. Look at the color on that thing. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you, boy? Bro, this bluegill look funny. Holy smoke, you got like a Tetris body going on here. Wow. Alright, buddy. Alright. That was a very much needed outing. It just felt good to like panfish again. I know I'm a little like neutral in this video because I don't know, man, it's just nice to just go out and enjoy the simplicity of fishing. Just a bobber, a worm, wax worm, a gulp minnow, whatever you want to use, and just catch a ton of fish. Sometimes that's what it's all about. That's what this video is about. Going out, having fun, having you guys join me, catch a bunch of panfish. They're all good eaters. Honestly, if I wanted to keep them, I could have, but we're gonna do this again, and I think we're gonna add a little twist to it. I'm gonna go for some big kitties. So, without further ado, my crazy hair, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, I'm trying this new hairstyle. Let me know how it goes.